Hey Ronnie, hope you're well. Um, I've come back to this later in the night to finish it off, and I'm a bit stuck. I've got the 30% startup and the balance on completion. And if it's taxing inclusive, that looks great, 1950, 4.5. But when I go to update with tax inclusive, tax exclusive, um, it gives me these random amounts and then the GST. So I'm not really requesting what I want, which is 1950 and 4550 on completion. If I go to edit and then tax inclusive, I'll just update that because it did say exclusive. No, saying exclusive even though it was uninclusive. Okay, so now I'll go to edit and I'm going to try tax exclusive. Update. Let's see, it's 7150. So I can't do it this way. I mean, that's the amount that I want to request. That's the amount that I want to request, but it's adding 10% on top. So either way, it's not clear how much money I'm requesting. So I'm a bit stuck. Can you help? Okay, Archie. All right, babe, we'll be soon. So if you could help, that'd be great, Ronnie. Yeah, talk to you soon.